Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can trade features on Kraken Pro. So what we need to do, we will need to meet some requirements. All right. So first, verification. So you must have personal account verified to at least the intermediate level. All right. You also need to know that some features trading is only available in supported regions. So few regions are not uh, basically they don't have that option. Now what we need to do is head over here to the portfolio, and down here at the bottom you will see features, and here it will also says unlock feature, so click on that. Now as you can see, EU rules require us to collect some info first. So let's say you can learn about feature here or unlock feature. So click on unlock feature. Now you have here client categorization. So retail client is without extensive or professional financial markets trading experience. We will need to take short test to confirm our eligibility. Then professional client is basically extensive knowledge and experience in financial markets, but you will need to provide documents that confirm professional status. So I'm not a professional and I will select retail client and click continue. Now, as you can see, complete your investor profile. So take your time and answer carefully. I will click continue. All right, and now we have 6 questions here. So why are you interested in investing in this product? Let's say like that, continue. And now I need to go through all these answers. After you go through all of these questions, you have also some knowledge quiz. So we will need to basically go to quiz again. Also, you have 6 of them, and you need to go through all of 6. After that, you will need to tell them about your qualifications. So this applies to me. Here, this does not apply to me. So at least one of the same qualification apply to me. I provide financial service. I'm an employer or member of an NRO. This don't apply and continue. Now we need to accept the terms. And now we are all set. So go to Kraken, and now we can transfer to features amount, let's say €1, like that, done. And now we have it here in the portfolio. We will see features, and now we can start trading. So now how we can start trade features. So we go here under more, and then select here under the trade features. Select also the feature. So I will select Sol. What we need to do now, here also we will place here buy, click buy, and then it's the same as usual. So I have here available margin $1. I can select here market limit, stop loss limit, and so on. Take profit. So let's say limit price. I will set here to 5, total USD 1, and yeah, when time in force, I can select immediate or cancel, good till canceled. We can also set here take profit, stop loss. So stop loss is 1%, 2%. And yeah, this is how we can uh, trade features. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next